Welcome to this engineering guide on voltage correction mechanisms. We will explore how voltage stabilizers boost voltage and ensure a constant power supply to your electrical devices. We begin by understanding the core principles, the fundamental physics that govern voltage regulation and stabilization. A voltage stabilizer is an electrical device designed to deliver a constant output voltage. Fluctuations like brownouts can damage sensitive electronics, so stabilizers boost low voltage to prevent appliance failure. Stabilizers use the buck boost concept. When the voltage is low, the stabilizer adds voltage from a secondary winding to the primary input voltage, effectively, boosting the total output. At the heart of the mechanism is the autotransformer. Voltage regulation is achieved by changing the turns ratio of the transformer, using different taps on the coil to adjust the output voltage. In a step-up configuration, the control circuit moves the mechanism to a higher tap on the winding to achieve voltage elevation. This increases the number of turns on the output side, inducing a higher electromotive force. Voltage correction involves three main technologies. Relay-based systems use mechanical switches. Servo-based systems use a motorized arm for smooth regulation. Static stabilizers use solid-state electronics for instantaneous correction. When comparing technologies, static stabilizers offer the highest accuracy and reliability, best suited for medical and IT equipment. Relay types are best for appliances and servo types for industrial units. Correction reaction time is critical. Static stabilizers are the fastest, reacting in about 1 millisecond, while relay systems take 20 milliseconds and servo systems around 500 milliseconds. Efficiency is also a key factor. Most modern stabilizers achieve high operational efficiency, often around 98%, with minimal energy loss as heat. The technology has evolved significantly, from magnetic regulators in the 1950s to modern smart and IoT stabilizers today, moving through servo mechanisms and static IGBT technology.